easiest way to know that your T levels are dropping, you'll notice a change in your mood. Like it'll shift. Your energy levels down the floor. You'll feel more sad, a little bit more depressed. You won't even have a sex drive anymore. See, the sad part is that when our juice, our magic male juice starts fading, you feel it in every aspect of your life. So today, boys, I'm going to show you the reasons why it's going down. Let's hop into this. Number one, it's lack of sleep. Too many people are not prioritizing sleep when sleep is what your body needs to recuperate to produce that testosterone. See, you need to understand, even 1 hour, studies have shown that just 1 hour of lack of sleep in one night is more than enough to affect your blood sugar levels and spike your insulin the next day. Think about that. Just 1 hour, one day. What happens when you're not getting enough sleep over a period of time? Of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Boys, the effects on your body are detrimental. Number two, you're not working out. Staying active is the best and natural way to force your body to bring up your test production to its natural level. Many of you are choosing a sedentary life that basically puts a halt to that testosterone production, and you're probably noticing it. You're noticing the lack of energy. You're noticing your mood shift. Shoot, you're probably even noticing hair loss. You can't even get a beard to grow, bro. That's because that T level is not kicking in. And look, yes, you could do stuff about it. For example, let's say your beard's not kicking in. You want it to look good. Obviously, check out our beard growth kit in Heat Grooming. See, with our beard growth kit at Heat Grooming, we give you two products that are scientifically backed to help you grow your beard. One is our Derma Roller. A Derma Roller, again, you can find study after study. Shoot, I even did a TikTok the other day, and it was funny. A doctor commented on my TikTok. You can go read it. And he's like verified or something like that, because he was just basically verifying the fact that, yes, a Derma Roller has been scientifically proven to help activate those dormant hair cells that you have in your beard so it can start growing again, so you can fill in some of that patchiness. And then we supercharge that effect with our beard growth oil. See, our oil has 3 active ingredients: biotin, castor oil, and turmeric. These are 3 ingredients that have also been proven to help stimulate hair growth. You combine those 2 together, bro, your beard growth is going to be insane. You're going to be able to start filling in those patchy areas that you need to fill in because probably your T levels are too low to grow that thick beard. If you guys want to check out that beard growth kit, boys, it'll be linked down below. If you click the link down below, go to heatgrooming.co. There's going to be a growth kit there that you can see on the home page. You can buy them separately. So you can buy either the Derma Roller or the beard oil. But when you buy them together, you're going to get 15% off and free shipping and free returns if you live in the US. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, you're not eating the right nutrients. See, if your plate, if your dish does not look colorful, it means you're not hitting all the right vitamins and minerals and antioxidants that your body needs. That means I want to see some greens. I want to see some orange, some white. You want to see some browns. You want to see different colors on your plate because this is the nutrients that your body needs to perform at an optimum level. I'll give you an example. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential vitamin needed in testosterone production. The crazy part is that over 90% of Americans have been shown to be vitamin D deficient, meaning that most of you watching this right now are deficient on a vitamin that's needed to support your T production. This is why you need to either be eating healthy or be supplementing that diet with a multivitamin or something to fill in those gaps. Number 4, you are addicted to pornography. And it's not pornography per se that's going to lower your testosterone levels. It's the effects of it. See, when you're addicted to jacking off all the time, you become obsessed with it, and you start jacking off to 10, 20 different women a day to the point that it desensitizes you. You no longer find sexual pleasure in just one woman. You need 10, 15 different women just to get off because that's what you're used to with pornography. So now your motivation, your drive, all that good stuff, it goes down the drain because why would you go out and just talk to one woman when you can bang 20 women from your screen in your hand from the comfort of your room? So now, because that confidence and motivation goes down, it also takes an equal effect on your testosterone production because you also start getting depressed. And you need to understand, when you're depressed, when you're stressed, a hormone called cortisol starts increasing in your body. And cortisol has an adverse effect on your testosterone level. The more cortisol is in your body, the less testosterone your body produces, which ultimately takes us to number 5, you're not getting enough sunlight. Look, this work from home thing, it's crushing us. Most of us aren't leaving our home all day, shoot, all week. So you're not getting any sort of sunlight. Not only is that depressing and stressful, which again increases cortisol, which reduces testosterone, it also cuts off our vitamin D production. This is what we were talking about. Vitamin D is crucial. It's free. You get it from the sunlight, but because you're not getting any sunlight, you're also not feeding your body the vitamin that it needs so it can help produce or support your testosterone production. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Those are 5 reasons why your T levels keep dropping. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our heat grooming beard growth oil. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.